Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ma Victoria guys. Today we will be going again in our building site, and we will bring these tiles for the bedroom, and some was already in the pagawan in the workshop of Mirik. This is what Toto did for welding. This is for the attic. This is for the soil. This is the angle bar. This is the second bedroom, and my brother-in-law Toto is the one working with this one. Last time. Still they finishing the bathroom and the CR. Putting wall in. Sorry. Dari is helping me put back. So now. This is the wall between comfort room and the kitchen, so it's done. And this is the size of our kitchen. Door coming out for a dirty kitchen outside. This is dining room, and this is the half will be living room. It was already half of this one was being compact already. So guys, that is for today. It's a March 14, 2024. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to click the bell button so you'll be notified in our next video. They have two wide window in the dining room. This one will be window in here, and this one will be the door. That is the one.